Imagine a hot, aromatic cup of black tea, the dark leaves steeping, releasing their bold flavors into the water. This is more than just a drink. It's a journey that takes us back hundreds of years, to the lush tea gardens of China, where the story of black tea began. A story that unfolds as the leaves are harvested, dried, rolled, and fermented to give us that distinct, robust flavor we've come to love. From the traditional English breakfast to the exotic Earl Grey and masala chai, black tea presents a symphony of flavors, each note as rich and varied as the regions they come from. This is the world of black tea, a beverage steeped in history and loved for its bold flavors. To delve deeper into the world of black tea, we've invited tea experts to share their knowledge. These connoisseurs remind us of the antioxidant powerhouse that black tea is, brimming with theaflavins and catechins. This potent brew is not just for the palate, but also for the heart. Regularly sipping black tea could help keep your heart in good shape and cholesterol levels in check. But that's not all. The tannins in black tea can aid digestion and relieve stomach discomfort. And if you're looking for a gentle pick-me-up, black tea's moderate caffeine content can give you just the right energy boost without any jitteriness. Furthermore, black tea's unique blend of caffeine and L-theanine can sharpen your mental alertness and concentration. The benefits extend beyond the cup, from promoting oral health and bone density to reducing stress and aiding weight management. Even your skin can get a boost from black tea's antioxidants. As our experts have shown, black tea isn't just a tasty beverage, it's a drink full of health benefits and cultural significance. Black tea isn't just for your morning cup. It's a versatile beverage that can be enjoyed in many ways. Let's take an imaginative journey through the world of black tea, where the possibilities are endless. Imagine starting your day with a strong, robust cup of traditional English breakfast tea, a blend that's been a staple in British households for centuries. Or perhaps you'd prefer the exotic, citrusy notes of Earl Grey, a tea that's been charming taste buds since the early 19th century. Then there's the spicy allure of masala chai, a blend of black tea and aromatic spices that's a cornerstone of Indian culture and cuisine. But black tea isn't confined to these familiar varieties. Its versatility extends to the regions from which it hails. From the robust, malty flavors of Assam to the delicate floral notes of Darjeeling and the full-bodied, brisk taste of Ceylon, each region offers a unique profile that adds depth and character to this beloved beverage. Beyond its traditional form, black tea can also be transformed into refreshing iced teas, creamy lattes, or even infused into cocktails, adding a sophisticated twist to your favorite drinks. So, whether you're sipping it straight, mixing it into a latte, or using it in a cocktail, black tea offers endless possibilities for pleasure and wellness.